rolling. So tell me, Ida, it has been a week now since your son went missing. How are you bearing up? Can you manage to cheer for the camera?
What? This deer is Jaybird from America's Most Feathered. He's doing a feature. Now, which do you think is my best side?
Ida, there have been rumors of farmyard bullying. Do you believe your son was abducted, or is it possible that he ran away to escape his persecutors?
What are you saying?
Good. I'll buy that. Defensive, yet emotional. It's just a hint of anger. I'm feeling up here.
Well, what about me? Does no one care what I think?
Sorry, sir. Coming to the end of the transmission. I'm going to leave the final word with Ida, just in case your son is out there watching. But for now, this is Jaybird for America's Most Feathered, saying, that is, if you see anything suspicious, from thieving magpies to lost ducklings, the chicks on the switchboard are waiting to take your call. All right, Ida, it's all yours.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. Everyone might call my name, but it's your voice that I hear. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Get away from me. Go on, all of you. Every day will seem to be more empty than the last. Everywhere the sun once shone, a shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
But Ida, you can't just leave me with the other four.
You'll manage, Drake. My mind is made up.
But you're wasting your time, love. You know you are. Apart from which it's dangerous to go wandering off beyond the churchyard at this time of year.
I won't be satisfied until I find the truth. Try to understand, dear. Your mother knows.
All right, just keep
Every moment seems an hour. Every hour lasts a day. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Every tear a mother cries